So you have a lot of time off, do you? Really? I mean, honestly, I think we all do right now. Hi, it's Bill. It's Creative License, and thanks for being a part of the show, and thanks for telling people about it. Thanks for being nice to my sponsors, Electro Voice, the greatest speaker company in the world, promo only, wonderful music pool service that I use and you should use as well. DJN TV, a great place to find wonderful tips on the business of DJ, the art of DJ, lighting, all of those things. It's amazing. You should go. It's a lot of it is free. Anyway, I'm Bill. And talking about how much time we have right now, a lot of us are spending that time lamenting about the time we don't, the work that we don't have. Okay, we get upset about it, but we're not doing anything. Well, what is there to do? We're not getting paid. I get that. And while your stuff's sitting around though, it's getting dusty. Okay, so when was the last time you dusted your stuff? When was the last time you went through all your cables and double checked to make sure all of your cables don't have any frays in them, are clean, I've got good signal through them? Have you looked at your speakers? Have you looked at the nicks that might be on them? Any of the cleaning that you could do? When was the last time you maybe upgraded your system? Okay, I've got a great system that I'm really comfortable with, but this is a great opportunity to look at your stuff and find out if there's a way to do it better, faster, stronger, like the $6 million DJ, right? How does your system look? I mean, only today I had a chance to step back and look at my facade and realize that there's a few little nicks and things in my facade, okay? Took a lint roller to it. That was one little thing I can do, but maybe it's creating a new facade. Maybe it's getting new monitors. Maybe it's just finding a way to get ready for when all of a sudden you are no longer not busy, because there will be a time that you're no longer going to be not busy. Things are going to start happening, and then you're going to wonder why you didn't go through and dust your stuff off, get your gear out, do some practicing, doing all the things you need to do. What do you think of this? And what are you doing? Are you doing stuff? Put some comments in the thing below and let me know. I'm Bill, this is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.